Yeah, you're sniffing my jacket because it smells like me. Well, hang on, turkey butt. Here, let's grab one of my work shirts. Yes, here's one of my work shirts because it has my scent. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, because it has my scent. See, now you're all happy as can be because you're on my shirt because it has my scent. Oh, yes, the nose boops. Oh, handsome old man. He's a handsome old man, huh? Boop. Oh, you curled your tail around my hand. It's so cute. You're so handsome. Oh, no, thank you. Little nose rubs. Little nose rubs. Oh, yes, the boops. Oh, handsome old man. There you go. Yeah, no, no deep tissues. I'm just going soft. Just going soft. I know your hips hurt. That's why I'm going soft. Oh, handsome old man. Mm-hmm. You shed too much, buddy. How you still have furs beyond me? No. Thank you for the headbutts. That's how loose his collar is. You're drooling. You're drooling. Oh, the chin rubs. Oh, yes. Yeah. You're so handsome, buddy. I love you so much, Sir Scrambles. Yeah, I love you so much, buddy. Look. This is from petting him just now. Like I said, he sheds so much. It's insane.